We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2017 Striebig 4164 compact panel saw. This 2017 Striebig 4164 compact panel saw has a 5-foot by 10-foot cutting capacity and a 2 3/8 inch depth of cut. Power is provided via a 4 horsepower, 3-phase motor with a motor brake. This saw moves effortlessly and is quiet running. You can change over from horizontal to vertical with one hand in a matter of seconds. And again, the action is very, very smooth on this machine. You will also find a 10-foot long integrated small workpiece support. Right above it is a flip stop with a built-in scale, of course. It's a Striebig, so you will find the TRK dust extraction system as well on this machine.